Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today, I'm feeling in touch with the earth energies. I can feel the vibrations. I can feel the energy radiating on my face. I can feel the energy of the soil beneath me. Sometimes, when I feel this way, I give light. Other times, I feel the vibration within me. Sometimes I feel a connection with the earth. Sometimes it's hard to connect. There are physical limitations. Yet I persevere. Sometimes the connection, it drains me. Sometimes it makes me feel happy. Sometimes I get in touch with beings that are in the vicinity. When this happens, I tell them internally, I come in peace. And I bless you with light and love. They may not leave. I'm not trying to banish them, but music is a universal language. It is a universal symbology for peace and love, acceptance. Between cultures that don't speak the same language, that don't have the same understanding, maybe they're enemies, but music can combine them. So it is my intention to give them peace and even a way out. Go to the light. The lower vibrations are rough today. But it just means that I have more work to do. Do you overtone or undertone, as it were? If so, I'd like to hear about it in the comments below. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the Golden Circle Movement channel. Make sure you leave your comments. Make sure you like and share this video. If you want to reach me and discuss some issues you want me to do a video on something, you can get with me on Instagram at Ezechiade and on Twitter at Ezechiade. Also on Facebook at the Golden Circle Movement Group. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.